Walaikum salam.
Sir, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm good, alhamdulillah. Tell me your first name.
Pardon?
Okay, why are you here and what are you doing here?
I'm the organizer and for the Chinese delegation. Yeah, we organize some Chinese companies to come here to attend your exhibition.
And do you have do you get any good response?
Of course, very good response, and we feel the emotion from our Pakistani people, and there are so many businessmen, they come to talk, and we also got so many valuable information from our farmers, and this is a very good exhibition, and Punjab is also a very good place for the agriculture industry. Yeah.
What is the response of people you get from here?
The response is very positive. And what we need and what we can cooperate, we can get our requirement, and we also can share our technology and the capacity with each other. I think we can realize the win-win.
Could you please tell me about your new technology?
Yeah, the new technology. You know this tractor. They can how to say, so they are different with your manufactured tractor, and they are different powerhouse. They can you can. This is the new choice, I think, for you.
Is it affordable for the Pakistanis or not?
Sorry?
Is it affordable for the Pakistanis?
Yeah, of course it is affordable, and this price is very reasonable, and all the farmers can afford. Yeah.
What is the difference in Pakistani tractors and in this?
This is the powerhouse is smaller, for example, than Miller or Fiat, and so they are different. They are not the computer. They can how to fill in the gap of the market.
And what about the fuel?
The fuel save the fuel and strong.
Very nice. Thank you so much. Any message for the Pakistani?
Any message? Pak Chin Dostin Zinabak.
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू। जैसा कि आपने देखा कि इन्होंने बताया कि इनके ट्रैक्टर जो उनसे हैं ये बेहतर भी हैं, ठीक है, और पाकिस्तानियों को चाहिए कि वो इसको यूज़ करें, न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी लेकर आए हैं, और इसमें फ्यूल की कैपेसिटी जो है वो भी कम है, उसमें आपका फ्यूल भी कम लगेगा तो वक्त भी कम ज़ाया होगा और आपके पैसे भी बचेंगे। तो काश्तकारों को चाहिए कि जो न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ है उसको अवेल किया जाए। थैंक यू सो मच।